where the affluent will be calling home in 2024? Join us as we explore the top 10 most expensive cities in the US for the upcoming year. While residing in these cities doesn't require being filthy rich, it certainly helps. In this video, we'll delve into the major cities with soaring costs of living and the projected trends for 2024. Starting off with number 10, Miami, Florida. A vibrant city boasting a population of nearly 500,000. Known as an economic hub, Miami's allure comes with a weather tax, as residents pay a premium for year-round sunshine. From scorching summers to the real estate roller coaster, Miami's cost of living index is 131, reflecting the city's expensive lifestyle. Next on our list at number 9 is Los Angeles, California. Renowned for its glamorous lifestyle and sunny weather, LA comes with a hefty price tag, especially in housing. The demand for homes far exceeds supply, making it tough for the average person to find affordable housing. Everything in Los Angeles, from a car insurance to tacos, comes at a premium, contributing to its cost of living index of 149. Number 8. San Diego, California. Securing the 8th spot is San Diego, California, a dream city with sun, surf, and fish tacos. However, its prime coastal real estate and high demand for ocean view homes make living here costly. With a cost of living index of 150, San Diego's prices are driven up by its stunning beaches, perfect weather, and the ever-present risk of wildfires, contributing to a high cost of utilities and insurance. At number 7 is Washington, D.C., a city known for its high-maintenance lifestyle. The job market, driven by government agencies and think tanks, leads to a demand for educated professionals, escalating both salaries and living costs. The real estate market in D.C. is notoriously challenging, with a cost of living index of 151. Landing at number 6 is Boston, Massachusetts, a city with a high demand for housing due to its numerous colleges and universities. From competitive housing markets to high taxes and living costs, Boston's cost of living index stands at 153, making it a challenging city to afford. Taking the 5th spot is San Jose, California, the heart of Silicon Valley. Despite its tech-savvy vibe, the city's housing market resembles a fierce battle of bidding wars, making it overcrowded and overpriced. With a cost of living index of 156, San Jose's average home value is a staggering $1,316,415, even though prices have dropped by 6.9% over the last year. Securing the 4th position is Seattle, Washington. breaking the rules with its expensive lifestyle. Fueled by high-tech companies like Amazon and Microsoft, the city's cost of living index is 159. Despite its breathtaking views, Seattle's housing prices are a challenge, with an average home value of $826,592, down 8.6% from the previous year. Claiming the third spot is the iconic New York City, known for its powerhouse job market, cultural diversity, and countless attractions. The classic supply and demand dance drives up the cost of living index to 163, with an average home value of $736,314, a 5.8% decrease from the previous year. In the runner-up position is Honolulu, Hawaii, a tropical paradise with stunning beaches and year-round sunshine. The cost of living index is a staggering 177, reflecting the challenges of living on an island where shipping costs contribute to higher prices. Despite a 2.4% drop in real estate prices, Honolulu remains an expensive place to call home. Topping the list at number 1 is San Francisco, California, a city with its own gravitational pull for high prices. The housing market is bonkers, and the overall cost of living index is a whopping 203, making everything double the price found in other U.S. cities. While real estate prices have decreased by 9.6%, San Francisco high prices persist, prompting many tech firms to seek more affordable locations. Whether it's the allure of Silicon Valley or the vibrant culture of New York City, these cities come with a hefty price tag. As we navigate the ever-changing landscape of the most expensive cities in the U.S., remember to do your budgeting and consider the full picture before making a move. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.